In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Lyft promo code or coupon code or discount code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up website and right here at the search box type in Lyft promo code and then hit on search. It moves you to that web page with search results where you can find a lot of different websites that offers you free promo codes, and from here you can tap on some of that websites. Here I got 7 different discount codes, and the first one gives me up to $25 off on 10 rides at Lyft. I can hit there at more details to get some additional information, and also there I can tap at show coupon to see that coupon code, and from here I can tap on that icon to copy that discount code to my clipboard, and then I can move it to Lyft website or mobile application where I can use that coupon code before I pay any money. Just don't forget to enter it and double check if this promo code is applied. If for some reason the promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that or to another website and from here try to use another one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.